Your week is going better than mine. So yeah, today is Tuesday the 9th. So yesterday was a bank holiday, so I felt like I didn't need to make a video since I didn't actually take any trades and it was a bank holiday. So yeah, and then today there was no significant news, but so let's go into the charts and then we can see how everything went for me today. So let's just go through yesterday's price action. Actually, let's first go to the daily chart. On the daily chart, as I was expecting last week price to get down, here it's what it's doing now. But then the day before yesterday, when was it, Sunday, I thought it was gonna continue going up. I thought it was not going to come down anymore, so I thought it was going to continue going up. So my bias was longs, but I can see now that my bias for last week actually is what is playing out right now. And also in the morning when I opened the charts, I saw that it had already taken out this previous day low, which means it was supposed to be a short, my bias. But then I felt like, no, maybe it's just doing that and they need to do that and create, that crazy week. But normally if it takes out one side, it doesn't normally go and take out the other side unless it's one of those, yeah. So if it opens and then takes out this previous low, then you know that it's probably going to continue going down. Yeah, so that's basically, that is basically it for the daily chart. But anyway, my bias was longs instead of shorts. So now I'm just gonna go straight to the inch time frame. If we need to now look at the other time frames, then we'll do that. Okay, so on Monday, yesterday, I'm saying it like it's so long ago. Yesterday, this was my London session. I was expecting price to trade lower and then give us a setup, but it did not trade lower. I was expecting it to at least trade lower than this and then give us a setup, but it didn't do that during the session, so I didn't take any trades. But as you can see, it was just a consolidation. It was just crazy price action, so there was no need to be in this mess. And then today, what was happening to me today? I think because I didn't take any trades yesterday, I think I was a little bit too eager. But anyway, let's have a look. So I thought we were gonna get some longs, and I thought this was a break of structure and this was liquidity, and then price came in and took me out right there. And that was it. And on this trade, the other thing that I did is I risked more than I'm supposed to risk. I'm supposed to risk 1%, but then I ended up risking about, I think, 1.5 or something like that. So I lost a lot more than I was supposed to lose. And also my trading plan says I'm supposed to only enter one trade, one session, one pay. But I found myself trying again for a long, and what happened? So I need to stick to the rules. If I get a loss, then I just close my chart and look at it the next day. Also thought this was a break of structure, left a fair value gap here, came back to be in, consolidated for a long time, and as it was consolidating, I was stressed out. I was just watching my P&L, which is something I'm trying not to do, but I just kept watching it because of this loss now and the added pressure of having to update you guys. I was stressed out until it took me out in the streets to enter away. So basically I need to stick to the rule of one entry pay session, one pay. That's it. That's all I'm supposed to do. So before I sleep, I'm just gonna try and see if there's anything that I can change, if there's anything that I missed, if there's any mistakes, and then I'm gonna do my end of day markups, and I can already see that I probably should have taken a short, because I can see that price broke structure here, left us okay, let me hide this so that I can show you what I'm talking about. So the correct setup was, you can see price, this was our opening candle, price traded above it, took out all this liquidity, and then it broke structure here. I don't know what's happening. Okay, it broke structure here. Let me hide this as well. And then it left this fair value gap. If you can see it, let me just draw it. It left this nice fair value gap here. Then it gave us a lot of chances to enter. I would have entered here. I always put my stop loss above the second candle, like after the fair value gap, if there's another candle, but there isn't, so I'm just gonna put it above. Okay, and then I always use my fib to find my exits. I will take from the where my move started to where the breakout structure is, and then I'll just place my fib, and then I will sort of target the 2.5, because when I was testing this, I found that with most London session, and if it's EU, and if you're entering on the M5 and everything is in order, it normally hits this point. Sometimes it can go above, it can continue going, but most of the time, even if it's gonna like just hit there and then go back, normally you won't be taken out. So I just want to be conservative, so I will put my stop loss there, my TP there. So by the time New York starts, we are out of a trade and we've got 6R. So that would have been the trade that I was supposed to take, but because I was so focused on price is supposed to be going up, my bias was wrong. So I also need to kind of be a little bit more fluid in the markets when I see things like this, because if you can really be more flexible and look at it from how I'm looking at it now, you can see that even as I was forcing the breakout structure here, you can see that the candles going up, they're not so convincing, but you can see this one, it gave us a nice displacement, and price came back in and went. So yeah, so I probably need to be more, how can I say, more flexible when it comes to taking trades as well. And then also you can see that there was a nice fair value gap here on M15, which means it was also a nice POI to enter the trade from. And let's see if H1 had anything. Let's see if H1 had anything. Okay, this is today's trading. At H1 trading London. Okay, this is not a nice fair value gap. There's no fair value gap. There is quite a fair value gap here, but it doesn't quite touch it, so we would have used the M15 fair value gap. So basically I think that's me sharing my strategy. Actually, that's basically what I do each and every day. But then on today's trade, the only problem is I was too focused on wanting to take longs, and I kind of didn't stick to my rules in terms of I need to just take one trade, so I lost more than I should, and yeah, it's a bit stressful. But yeah, that's what happened today. So so I need to kind of like do a bit of more of looking at my old big testing, just to refresh my mind, so to prepare for tomorrow, so that you know I'm not also going to take losses tomorrow. So let's hope tomorrow is going to be a better day. So good night, and I hope all of you had a better day than me. So yeah, good night and God bless you. I'm gonna share the results as well as I'm speaking, as I'm you're gonna see the screenshots. I'll put it somewhere. Okay, all right, good night guys. Stay safe, stay focused, and I hope your week ends well, and I hope it started better than mine. You can also share how your day was, or how yesterday was in the comments, and then we can all get to share how the markets are treating us this week. So yeah, that's it. Good night.